Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today we are going to talk about some remedies for the ailment of jealousy. Jealousy is a human weakness and a negative emotion that we must all strive to overcome. It damages human relationships, friends turn into foes, long-time affiliations take ugly turns and end up in hideous animosities. What then should be done? So here are some remedies which may help us in vanquishing this fiendish trait. Firstly, we must develop the habit of looking at people around us who are less fortunate and facing hardships in life. This will instill in us the emotions of gratitude to God and direct our attention to what we have instead of brooding on what we do not have and become jealous of others. Secondly, we must concentrate on our own set of abilities and potentials. Each person is born with some talent or skill. It is just a question of discovering it and polishing it in order to make a difference to the society that we live in. Never mind if we do not have some things that others have. We should be proud of our own set of abilities and our own skill set. The third suggestion in this regard is that we never know the inner situation of a person we are jealous of. He or she might be blessed in a few traits, but might be undergoing his or her own share of problems in life. If we come to know those problems, we might in fact end up being sympathetic to that person instead of being jealous. The fourth suggestion could be that we should make an effort to take the initiative in meeting and greeting people whom we are jealous of. This strikes a blow to the malice in us. A step ahead in this regard would be to give them gifts on various occasions like festivals and birthdays. The fifth suggestion to do away with this ailment of jealousy is that we must train ourselves to be at peace with God's distribution and His grand scheme of things. He has given some people and deprived some others to make them pass through a trial and choose the successful ones for His paradise. We must patiently endure this trial while being thankful for His blessings. So these are some of the suggestions that might be helpful in overcoming us with. So these are some suggestions that might help us in overcoming this ailment of jealousy.